How to onboard 1 billion people to crypto.
People don't know how internet works.
The natural reaction is crypto's a scam. This is not a scam.
We're going to onboard 1 billion people to crypto. You ready?
Media and games are great examples of mass market use cases that can drive adoption of crypto to wide audiences.
The unsexy answer is unfortunately speculation. The possibility to make a lot of money in this space will naturally bring the next billion users into this space.
The best way to acquire Bitcoin is to earn it by working, right? Because you learn and get it at the same time as compensation. So yeah, get a job in Web3 100% and learn and read as much as possible.
We need to fix the psychology. I think that is one of the biggest parts that's going to be the holdback to onboarding the next billion users. Because it's such a deep space to get into and understand, the natural reaction is crypto's a scam, right? So to onboard the next billion users, we need to convince them through incredible products and incredible incentives, show them the power of ownership of the internet, where the big guys don't hold all your data and you're not, beholden to 5 companies. You are actually now part of the company, right, by owning it. We have to convince the masses that this is not a scam.
Crypto.com and FTX and Coinbase and Gemini literally giving people $10 to keep signing up. Their investors just need to keep giving new people $10. It's probably the most efficient way to onboard people with a usable amount of crypto.
I could onboard 1 billion people easily if you give them all $1 billion. It's not so much that MetaMask is bad or that other things are bad. It's that the end reward isn't sufficient for someone to have to learn how to do it. So focus on the thing that they're going to get at the end and not focus on all the little bugs along the way, because those will get fixed, but focus on the final use case, that the thing that is of value that is created. And people will learn everything that needs to be done.
People don't know how internet works. I think landing pages of Web3 companies shouldn't talk about how their protocol works. It should be accessible. You should be able to find it. But it shouldn't be, oh, we're a crypto company. No. You don't talk about being an internet company either. Get rid of all the jargon.
We have to figure out key management. Obviously, the notion of being one's own bank to some people in society is a beautiful privilege, but there is a large class of people where being your own bank and being your own custodian is a real burden. It's a lot of risk. Custody, especially decentralized custody, is the nugget to crack in terms of bringing the next billion people into Web3.
First, it starts by making it invisible or very, very easy to use. I'm using it and I don't even know I'm using it, because so much of it is powering the different backends, and we make the user experience in a way that's not confusing. You have to worry about private keys and not getting hacked. The second thing is leveraging the sort of big Web2 players and helping them use technology in a way that benefits their business models. Plus NFTs, I think, are such an easier way to grok the benefits and the advantages of crypto.
One thing to add here, Solana and Polygon are partnering with cell phone manufacturers to produce crypto phones. And I think that this might also be a significant step towards widespread adoption of crypto. By the way, we'll soon be making a video about Web3 smartphones, so subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss it. And which expert opinion do you agree with? Let me know in the comments.